Yo, what's up, everyone? Um, I changed my whole thing to goddamn, um, 1912. Look, I have this program to do it for me. Look at this. Choose a resolution. It just does it for me. I could just type it in. But yeah, if anyone wants that, let me know. I might. Okay, I just, fuck. Um, I got off work like really early today, like two, but it was like raining outside. I was outside, so whatever. There's supposed to be something coming out like tomorrow. That's cool. Um, I'm at 1197. You know what? If we lose it, we lose it. Come on. Okay, no, I'm not gonna queue that guy, am I? Okay, if we lose it, we lose it. If we win it, we get 1200. So, a lot of pressure on me. Yes. Oh no, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad, that's bad. Okay. I'm really gonna focus because I don't. Oh yeah, it's selected. Fuck. Fuck! Oh gosh, that's a lot of elo lost, is it? Well, we lost it. I can still try to get it. I can still try to get it. That's a lot of elo lost. Well, let me change the proof pack because that's a good pack for this. I have like 4 of them. Use the 1K. Let me see if this is the normal one or it's gonna eat me alive. It's gonna eat me alive. I don't have the normal approved pack. I just have the edited ones. I use the ill one. Oh, this is the normal one apparently. Okay, then wow. Okay, we're gonna queue Krim. We're gonna queue this guy. He's 1100. Or are we not? I don't think we're gonna queue him. Okay, I guess not. Queue, dude. Like, I'm trying to queue rank no Debo. How much you live is skew him? Because I'm probably gonna queue that guy. He's 1000. Wow. Oh, I gotta turn the clock. I gotta know what time it is. Come on. Put it right here. I gotta know the time. Not saying. Is no one queuing ranked? Okay. Q W Asia 1N. I'm about to beam this guy. I'm about to. Oh, he missed the pot. Come on. And I'm horrible apparently. my gosh. Bro, I'm losing to fumbling the bag. Maybe I don't deserve 1200. Oh my gosh, this guy just outmoved me, bro. This is not a good time to be stinky, man. Wow. Oh wow. What are you getting lolly? Okay, I don't know what that means. I'm gonna start calling it that now, because that's funny. Hey buddy. Heh. Heh. Oh wow. Oh no! Dude. If I lost that. Okay, how did they just like know when it hits select? That's the thing. That's the thing I don't understand about these higher ping players. This guy's not even high ping. Oh my gosh. Dude, I hate this Minecraft thing. I'm not gonna lie. There's like an inventory manager mod now in the Refine to stop that from happening, but it's like, I don't know, I don't want to set that up. I think I'm gonna lose this, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, yeah, I am. How do you get that hit, though? He's just like the double hit demon, I guess. I'm losing this. Yeah, good fight. Yeah, dude, fuck, man. Fuck. How does that even happen, though? Like, oh my gosh. I'll try one more fight, and then I'm probably gonna get off. Because I'm losing so much elo. Oh my. I'll try that one more time. We'll use Pinsky. That's a good pack. Pinsky, whatever. Do I have enchantment glit on? Girl, okay, I'm dead. I'm just dead. Wow. We're gonna focus on the gate. Oh, this guy's cheating his nuts off. Oh no, I'm not. No, that's not happened. I'm the one cheating my nuts off. Apparently. Okay. I think I'm just gonna disconnect here. Yeah, I'm done with the ELO series now. That's a bad time.